I'm Bryan Cranston. I'm at the Carousel Bar at the Monteleone Hotel here in New Orleans, Louisiana. It revolves as you sit down. It's the only one like it in the world. And to get in here, I had to climb over the bar. I've had to climb out of bars before, but not over bars. All right, I'm gonna make a drink with my mezcal dos Hombres for you. Very simple. It's called the Cranstonian. Now, Aaron Paul gives me all kind of grief saying, that's so egotistical. And I go, wait. I'm not naming it after me. I'm naming it because the mix in it is cranberry juice. Maybe a little bit was, but okay. Anyway, we'll go 1 full part of dos Hombres in, and we'll go full part of cranberry juice in. Then we get some Aperol and do half of that. I'll just pour half here, right about there. And half of fresh squeeze lime juice. Please try to get the fresh squeeze. I know it's a kind of a hassle, but it tastes so much better in a cocktail. Take some ice, put some ice in there, pop it into here, and then shake it up. I like to give it a nice, vigorous shake. When it gets too cold to hold, that's when I know, okay, time to go. Take a rock glass and a fresh lime and just give it a little rim here of the juice. And then you can dip it in your salt. I also like to put in like a spice, like a tahini, and mix it in with your salt so it has a little bit of, all right? Usually I like to do like 1 big rock, but this is good. And then look how pretty that is. There you go. And that, along with our lime, is ready to go. Here's the Cranstonian. Drink to good health. Cheers.